This is Math Lesson 1-4. In class, we will be playing the game Fishing for Digits. This is a two-player game. Each person will need a calculator. The skill we're working on is understanding place value. You will play 5 rounds, and the goal is to have the larger number at the end. To begin, each player secretly enters a 6-digit number into his or her calculator. No zeros. Here's player 1's calculator. Here's player 2's calculator. Remember, you cannot look at each other's calculator. Player 1 goes fishing for a digit in player 2's number by naming a digit. So I'm player 1 and I'll say, do you have a 1 in your number? If the digit named is a digit in player 2's number, then player 2 reports the value of that digit. So player 2 says, why, yes, I do have a 1 in my number, and my 1 is worth 10,000. Player 1 adds the value of that digit to his or her number. Plus 10,000 equals, now my number has changed to 599,478. Player 2 subtracts the value of that digit from his or her number. Minus 10,000. Now player 2's number is 409,522. It is now player 2's turn to fish. Reverse the roles of players 1 and 2 and repeat the steps. Remember, when you're playing, you cannot see each other's calculator. So player 2 will say, do you have a 4 in your number? And player 1 will say, why, yes, I do have a 4. My 4 is worth 400. Player 2 adds 400. Player 1 subtracts 400. And that's the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, player 1 has 599,078. Player 2 has 409,922. Now we play round 2. Player 1 says, do you have a 9 in your number? If you have more than one digit that was named, you must tell the higher value. Player 2 says, yes, I do have a 9 in my number, and my 9 is worth 9,000. Player 1 adds 9,000. Player 2 subtracts 9,000. Now it will be player 2's turn. Remember, we cannot see each other's calculators. Player 2 says, do you have a 9 in your number? Player 1 says, no, I do not. 0 for that round. Nobody adds or subtracts anything. This is the end of round 2. Now we'll play round 3. Starting with player 1, I will guess a digit and ask if that digit is in my partner's number. We play 5 rounds in total, and at the end of 5 rounds, the winner is the player with the higher number. See you in class for Fishing for Digits.